EURAUD, I'm back on EURAUD right now. The trend overall still bullish, price action bearish. So this is what we can say. I'm trying to really simplify my trading this week and then work it back up to adding more conferences by next week, because it's more like I'm restarting my trading again this week. So I'm going to dumb it down. It's one of my cheat codes for bouncing back is once I realize that, you know what, my trading is now cluttered, I declutter it by removing a lot of things and just make it very basic and then work my way back up again. So the weekly, we're going to say bearish. All right, that's all I'm going to do here on the weekly time frame. All I'm going to do again is look for structure or possible turning points, which we have the first one over here. But then again, this is where last week reversed, so I'm going to mark that out right here. And this is also where price started moving crazy, or should I say started dumping last week, and that's it. I'm moving down to the daily. Why I'm doing that is what I intend to do this week is to trade in the zone. What I mean by trading in the zone is take advantage of little movements back and forth, not trying to predict the market or any other thing. All right, now we're on EURAUD, the daily time frame. We can see that price has a bit of support level over here, I mean resistance around here. You can see it, right? And we can see how price is, when price opened, it's kind of like bouncing off of it. For me to take any sales, I want to see price trade below this level, and then I want to take sales up to this point, and that's it. For me to take any buy, I want to see price maybe break above this level over here on the daily, this last price action right here. Or so guys, I watched the first episode of Top Boy. I would say that I don't think I'm going to continue to watch.
You're not ready yet? No.
Bro, I nearly slept off, fam. I nearly slept off. I don't know how you guys enjoy it, but nah.
I was like, this shit is not holy enough for me.
No, it's not. It's not about old. It's just I don't know. I wasn't feeling it, and for me to really dig any series, I have to feel the first episode. Like I have to feel connected to the first episode. You know what? I'm going to recommend just one series to you guys. Go watch it, and if it's not fun, come back. Go watch Suits and tell me. You will see the difference yourself. Man.
Suits is very good.
You see, I've got witness.
But for series, I think you've got to give it at least 3 episodes before.
Yeah, I've never got hooked off the first episode ever.
Nah, never.
Nah, man. Remember Star Wars? Star Wars took 7 or 8. What was it? It took like 7 or 8 episodes, and I was like, "This is terrible." And it to the end, and I loved it.
Now, Will, what was that? What was the AI robot people one?
What?
Lost World or something like that.
Westworld.
Oh yeah.
Westworld. That banged.
Yeah.
First episode.
But Alpha, I think the point of the Top Boy is I don't think any of us enjoyed it. Like it's the whole thing's a ball of anxiety.
Yeah, it's gritty. It's like
I don't think you watch it to like feel good. You watch it to like
understand what goes on in the UK. And
Oh.
the world, really.
Oh, okay. Maybe I'll give it some more try this week. Let's see.
Yeah,
more
do
of a documentary.
Do another like 2 episodes and then see what you reckon after that.
All right, we see. Now on the daily, we can see our price is beginning to reject off of this support level right here, and if price, like I said, is able to break and close above this level, right here, I am willing to going for a buy towards this level first, and then if price continues to shoot higher, maybe then I'll start targeting right here. But that's that about that. I want to drop down to the 4-hour time frame, and then we can see what's happening over there. All right, so let's see if YouTube is going to see this particular video this week. I mean, it's been a while I put a video up over there. Don't blame me, man's been busy. So on the 4-hour time frame, we can see how we have support price holding right here as support towards this part over here, right? You guys can see it too, yeah? So it means whatever trade we're taking over here, we're looking to take some profit right here. And note, like I said, whatever trading we are doing up until Wednesday is more of like soft trading, nothing crazy, nothing aggressive. We're not looking to do too much. We just want to make some profits. All right. Now, we can see our price beginning to bounce off of this level, right? And what I want to do is, if I were to say be feeling very risky and I want to take a trade, I'm going to drop down to the 1 hour time frame and see if I'm going to have enough confluence to get into a trade over here. And to be frank, there's just a little bit of confluence over here. We have this low over here, this higher low, right? We have this high, pretty like equal high for this level, and then we have this higher high, correct? And now we can see price creating this lower high, higher low, correct? Right?
Yeah.
Is it higher low? Whatever it is, fuck it. you get the gist, all right? So it means that price based off of this character that we can see over here is likely going to create another higher high. And if you were to jump into a trade, which I'll not recommend right here, you're going to have your stop loss slightly below this previous lower high or whatever the fuck it is, and then have your first take profit right here. sorry guys. And you just have your first take profit around there, which is about 1 to 1 risk to reward trade, and then you can have your next take profits right around here at 1.66578 or so for your next take profits, which will be pretty good as well. But apparently the market is just opening and I'm not in any way jumping into a trade up until London tomorrow. I don't care what happens. If London comes and then the trade has happened, fine, I'll look for another opportunity, and that's it. So I think the euro odd is pretty much explained enough already. There's no need to spend more time on it. We want to see price break and close above this level, and then we want to take our first profit right here, and then hold the rest for about this area until Wednesday. So right now, I am temporarily bullish on euro odd based off the confluence we spoke about earlier on, because we do not know what's happening here. There's no clear movement on euro odd right now. So on AUD, so we do not know what to exactly expect right now until AUD does something really. So that's that about that. Let's see.
Crazy.
Super.
All right, so this is Euro NZD.
Bullish.
Yeah, price action is not really looking bullish. It's beginning to point down. So I hope everyone is following though, really.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Following what though?
If you don't know what to follow up on, why in class, fam?
So far, what I've got from the class is don't jump into any trades.
Yeah. I jumped into so many trades last week because I didn't have time.
All of that just makes me want to go all in on gold right now. And or something.
No, the first one was 2 or 3 lots, and then the second
Jesus.
one was 1.25 lots.
Oh yeah, you did put your bollocks down. Yeah.
Yeah. But those are the kind of figures, man, that you can get. When you see like you're in thousands, it's exciting.
Yeah, it hits different. It actually hits different when you're on the trade and then you're doing numbers. It hits different. But yeah, back to Euro NZD. Euro NZD pretty much still pointing downward, but is equally rejecting off of this level right here. So no need to waste time going straight down to the daily. Like I said, minimalist approach this week until we see all of our other confluences begin to play out. Okay. So that being said, it means Euro NZD is looking to push back up for a bit, probably towards this level over here, at least first, before any other level. For Euro NZD, still pretty much looking like it's going to go up just a bit. It did break outside of this range. It broke outside of this downtrend over here, created a new lower low. So it may come back to retest this area and start to dump. Maybe not. But I am not taking any action until price either break above this area or rejects this level. Then I want to take a sell towards this level and then towards this level. But if it's able to break above and close above this level, then I want to take a retest towards this area first, because I can see that there's a bit of sellers right here, and it's going to exert some pressure on price. So I want to take some profit right here and hold some more to take maybe some more profit right here, and then take final profit right here. I do not see myself holding all the way up to 1.84567 this week, because like I said, my appetite for this week is not entirely on the big side. I just want to make some money and continue from there the following week. All right, so that's that on that. That's that about US 30 and every other currency pair for this week. Thank you for coming to class. It was a pleasure doing this with you guys. I'll see you guys next, okay, not next week, I'll see you guys tomorrow during London. Yeah, I'll have fun. All right.